through the bass arrangement, the formula that everyone's using. I didn't make this formula up, by the way. It's just what I've analysed. I'm going to walk you through it. We're going to make it as simple as possible. Okay, so we've got our Serum 2 here, and it says stab. So I'm going to go for my note. I'm going to go into the sample pack, and we're going to pick one of them. Let's go for this one. Cool. Turn it down a little bit. First one. Okay, next one is main bass. I'm going to label it now. Main bass. Get your note. Now the main bass is going to be longer. We'll double click and we can use 2 notes this time as we see fit. So I'm just going to try it like that. But make sure we're picking different bass now. And we want something very different to that one. Try this smooth bass. Cool, let's have a listen. Next one is another stab. So we've got our Serum. Let's copy this one here. Put it here. This is a second stab. That sounds pretty cool. Keep that there. I might give it 2 stabs this time. Cool. I think we'll use that for this bit here. Or what do we just turn it to an envelope? Then it's a stab, isn't it? Maybe we can give it FM and stuff, or PD. Remember, guys, we can still create variation. Okay, so let's have a listen. And then let's have a go at this one. This is the main bass again. Just following what it says at the top, remember. Put main bass rough there, so we could go for a rough one if we want. Go down at that time maybe. And then jump into the preset. Then we've got the pocket here. I have put this effect in the pocket, which might do for now, but let's have a listen. And then we repeat that now. So we can do another stab. Do we want this? Or do we want this way around? This time. And I'm going to duplicate this main bass. Get that exact same MIDI pattern in. This one now. I'm going to change it. Let's change this. So let's from the start. Then we need another stab. It's pretty cool. We're just messing with the different options now, but they're stabs, so I've put them short. Main bass is going to be duplicate this. Make sure I delete that one. And that one, and we're going for a different one now. Completely different. I think that was Trivox one. Yeah. Now what we can do is, might want to change. Yeah. Just go in and change it. More variation. And then we'll repeat the whole thing again with added energy. This added energy is only shaker, so don't worry. And then I've got more open hats there. So let's give it a go from here. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna delete that because I copied it a bit wrong. Hard to see with all these bloody lines everywhere. Now once you get the hang of it, you don't need the lines, but for now, it gives you a good framework to work within if you're not getting results like this already. Yeah. I just wanted to get rid of these these shakers. Anyway, now this bit's add energy. So the same thing again. Got some vocal stabs or something as well. Yeah. Okay, that sounds better, but let's just run it from here. Yeah. so it depends on what you want. Switch up, or you could take it down again, build it back up, and then do a second drop of the switch up. But that's just giving you some pretty serious framework to work with. And I've given you the free serum presets, so, and the sample packs in there as well. So I hope that's helped you.